Hello, whether I'm audible. Okay, so let's start. So, coding decoding is the topic. Uh, as I mentioned, today onwards there will be two lectures. One at 9 a.m. and one at 8:30 p.m. And by this week, by this Sunday, we will be completing this unit. Completing this course by this Sunday itself. Okay, Shri, I will check it. Okay, Gokul. Good morning, one and all. There is some echo issue. Check. So, for the new students, this is a course where we complete all the topics of UPSC CSAT in 40 lectures, all quantitative aptitude and reasoning topics. And we are starting a comprehension series also after 1 week. So, we'll update you regarding the schedule and all. And this series is not only, this course is not only useful for UPSC, for other exams also, for aptitude section, this course is useful for CSIR NET, for GATE and other similar exams also. For the new people, my name is Christy Varghese. More about me you can see here, and you can check out this YouTube channel for more content. Your previous year questions of UPSC CSAT, also the last 4 years previous year question papers are fully solved in this YouTube channel, and also other playlists you can use for extra practice also. And these are the books I have written, and these are the courses I offer in our mobile application classes. The flashcards I'm showing in the class, that is available as an ebook in the mobile application classes, that also you can use, and currently available till your exam at a nominal price of on to you. Otherwise, in my classes itself, I'm showing that flashcards, so not necessary that you should use, you should buy it, but if you are buying it, you can get it as a full ebook itself for your final revision. Okay, and for CSIR NET aspirants, our full-length course is available in our mobile application, and currently it is available at 749 rupees for the 3-month subscription with complete study materials and 6 recorded videos. And please invite your friends, all of you, to this live lecture. Let more people join the session. And if you want to get updates of our upcoming classes and our other free resources, you can check out our channel or Telegram channel, WhatsApp group, and mobile application classes, and our website christyvarghese.in. You can follow me there also further updates. Okay, these are the other playlists in this channel. So let us start. Today we are discussing the 30th lecture in this course, Coding and Decoding. The previous lectures, all of them are available in this playlist. Check out the other videos those of you are new to my classes. Okay, so coding decoding means, yeah, what is the idea of coding decoding and what is the relevance of coding decoding? The relevance of coding decoding is, for example, if you want to pass on a message to your friend so that no one else will understand, so you will code it and send it. Na? That coding, what all ways it can be done, that is what we are doing, or that is what we are discussing today. In mathematics, there is a field or there is a branch of maths itself dealing with coding decoding, that's called cryptography. But the questions asked in UPSC or questions asked in other similar tests also are not of that difficult level. It is basic level coding decoding only. So let us see. Mainly the questions are based on letters itself. About letters we will discuss in another chapter also. But letters itself, A, B, C, D up to Z, the alphabetic order you should know. Because letters are what we are manipulating to get the code. And for remembering the letters, this EJOT code will be helpful. In the letter sequence chapter also we discussed about EJOT code. EJOT code means 5th, 10th, 15th, 20th, 25th letter in English alphabet. As landmarks you can by heart this EJOTY or EJOT. So that, for example, if you want to know which is the 21st letter, you know 20th letter is 2. T. So the next letter is U. So U is the 21st letter. Likewise, you can pick easily. All of you are clear? Audio is perfect now, na? All of you please respond. Audio is perfect, right? Okay, so and in some questions, sometimes this reverse order of alphabets is also important. Reverse order of alphabets means what? A is first letter, B is second letter, C is third letter, up to Z is 26th letter. But in reverse order, Z is the first letter, Y is the second letter, X is the third letter, W is the fourth letter, V is the fifth letter, and so on. So this reverse order and reverse equivalent, this is also important. This is reverse equivalent. A is first letter, but in reverse order, Z is the first letter. So Z is the reverse equivalent of A. B is the second letter and Y is the second last letter. C is the third letter and X is the third last letter. D is the fourth letter and W is the fourth last letter, and so on. So this reverse equivalent idea is also important. And this reverse, to find it, there is a shortcut technique also. For example, if D is the fourth letter, to find the reverse equivalent, you can say 27 minus 4 you do, that 23, that is the position of the reverse letter, or that is the reverse letter we need. 23rd letter in English alphabet is W. D is fourth letter. To find the reverse equivalent, subtract it from 27. 26 is the number of letters. Now, one more than that is 27. So, subtract it from that 27. So, that way also you can find. Or if you write it like this also you can find. But reverse equivalent is also important. These are the basic things you should know. Now, I will explain what all are the major types of coding decoding problems that can be asked. In UPSC exam and other exams also, these are common type only. So, all of you listen. Go through this flashcard first. Then I will elaborate each of them. Go through this flashcard and see whether you are understanding it, all of you. I have taken the reference of A, B, C, D, E, F so that it is very easy. This flashcard itself summarizes almost all things you need for coding. So go through it. Then we discuss one by one each of these types. Today theory will be more. After theory only we can start questions. The theory itself, it will take 20 minutes. Last 10 minutes we will do like a rapid fire few questions. Because once you know the theory, this chapter questions can be done super fast. So if you are watching me live, if you are feeling this session or this initiative is useful for aspirants, do hit the like button, do comment on this video, and do share it with people. That way YouTube also will recommend it to more people, and the motivation for any educator to come up with for the new students, I'm reiterating, this is a completely free series. Even monetization is also disabled for this playlist in your exam. So it's a completely free initiative for anyone to learn aptitude. I want to make aspirants believe that aptitude section is not that difficult as they think, because many people think that aptitude section, CSAT section of UPSC is very difficult, and we have to spend a lot of time on that. Yeah, if you are putting quality time by minimum practice or minimum investment itself, you can actually do more questions exam and easily clear the cutoff. Okay, so I will explain it. I hope all of you have gone through it. Some of your doubt regarding 6th and 7th point. Okay, so one by one we will discuss each of them super fast. So the first type is reverse order. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F. In reverse order, you can write F, E, D, B, A. Na? So that is reverse order. Again, here it is A, B, C, D, E, F. But in question, what it will be given as, if Delhi is coded as this, Delhi will be coded as IHLED. Then Chennai will be coded as what? So Delhi coded as IHLED. LED means it is in reverse order. Similarly, Chennai will be coded as in reverse order. That Chennai you can write in reverse order. Are you all understanding? So reverse order is one way of coding. One logic of coding is reverse order code. Second, adding, okay, what I can, we will take the common word Delhi itself. For Delhi, all of you try to comment on this video or comment on the live chat. Those of you are watching me live, those of you are watching me recorded, comment on the comment section. What will be the equivalent code for the word Delhi for each of these logic? First logic I already discussed, Delhi will be coded as IHLED. Now, second logic is adding common number like +1, +2, +3, +4, etc. or -1, -2, -3, etc. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F can be added 2 letter. A plus 2 is what? C. Second letter from A is C. Na? Second letter from B is D. The second letter from C is E. Second letter from D is F. Second letter from E is G. Second letter from F is H. So C, D, E, F, G, H will be the equivalent code by that logic. So by that logic, what will be the code for Delhi? All of you, what will be the code of Delhi by this +2 idea itself? Instead of +2, it can be +3 or +4 or +5 or +1, -1, -2, -3. So adding a common number is another logic. So all of you try it. And this cycle of alphabet, it's a circle. After Z again A starts, because sometimes confusion can come if a letter Y is there. What is second letter after Y? Second letter after Y is A. After Y Z, then again starts A. You have to consider it as a circle itself. A to Z, again A to Z. All clear? So Delhi, some of you got the code. Very good, very good. So likewise for each of the logic, try to practice with random words. I am giving a word Delhi. You can take any word and try the same. Next logic is successive increase or successive decrease. Successive increase or successive decrease means instead of adding single number, first 1 is added, then 2 is added, then 3 is added, then 4 is added, then 5 is added, then 6 is added. For example, A plus 1 is B. Na? A, first letter from A is B. Then B, second letter from B is D. C, third letter from C is D, E, F. D, fourth letter is E, F, G, H. And E, fifth letter J. F, sixth letter L. Are you getting the point? So similarly, Delhi can be coded as what? You can mention in the chat. That way you can practice and get hold of this chapter and easily do questions of the chapter. So due to lack of time, I'm moving on to the next type. A, B, C, D, E, F coded as Z, C, B, E, D, G. That is an oscillating pattern. What is an oscillating pattern? Oscillating pattern means subtraction, addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction, addition, or addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction, addition. Here A minus 1 is Z. Why A minus 1 is Z? Circle of alphabets. The previous letter of A is Z na, in the circle of alphabet concept. So A is coded as Z. Then B is coded as C by adding 1. Subtracting, adding. Then subtracting, adding. Are you getting the point? So C minus 1 B, D plus 1 E. E minus 1 D, F plus 1 G. So by the logic, can you tell me what will be the word for Delhi? Yeah, in the practice itself you can do now. Practice you can do now itself. So take the word Delhi and do the same coding so that you will get an experience how to make a code or how to decode a code. Okay, so oscillating pattern clear na? Instead of -1 plus 1, it can be -2 plus 2, -3 plus 3. All are possible. But the idea of oscillating pattern, hope it is clear. Then alphabets in reverse order. In the beginning, I have already told about this reverse equivalent idea. A, B, C, D, E, F is coded as ZW, XW, sorry, ZY, XW, VU. How? A reverse equivalent is Z, B reverse equivalent is Y, C reverse equivalent is X, D reverse equivalent is W, E reverse equivalent is V, F reverse equivalent is U. That is how it is. So, can you tell me for Delhi how it will be? Yeah, I know that it is time consuming, but I have to move on to, because about 13 types I want to discuss. As you know, this is a 30-minute lecture. 30-minute lecture. I have to hurry up. So you people, those of you are watching me recorded, you can pause the video and try Delhi and post it in the comment section. What will be the code? Yeah, if possible, just mention reverse order type so that I can check whether your answers are right in the comment section. So anyway, reverse order is clear, right? Alphabets in reverse order. Then letter to number. Another coding is letter to number. Letter to number means the equivalent number in the alphabetic order that is being written. Equivalent number means A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is F, E is 5 and F is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is so trivial for A, B, C, D, E, F because it is the first 6 letters. But as I told in exam, they will give you words. So Delhi, how it will be coded? D is 4, E is 5, L is what? Ijoti code you can use to find the equivalent easily. H is what? H is 8 and I is 9. So 451289 will be the equivalent number for Delhi. So that is letter to number idea. Is it clear? Letter to number idea. Then another is group pattern. Group pattern means a set of letters is taken and applied one rule, and the other set is applied with another rule. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 letters are there. Na? First 3 letters, one group. Second, next 3 letters, another group. And first 3 letters, you can apply any rule that we have discussed already. Oscillating pattern, increasing pattern, constant increase, constant decrease. For example, A minus 1, B minus 1, C minus 1. Z, A, B you will get. Na? So there it is, adding or subtracting a common number. Now D, E, F, you are adding by a pattern like an arithmetic progression. So D plus 1, E plus 2, G, F plus 3, I. Are you getting the point? So in the case of Delhi, as it is a 5 letter, halving is difficult. Maybe it's the first 2 letters you can apply one pattern. Second, next 2, 3 letters another pattern. Yeah, apply the same pattern itself. Minus 1 and plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. And mention the answer in the chat. What you got for this. Okay, all of you are understanding this much? So that is called group pattern, and in the group what pattern it is, that can be any pattern we have discussed till now. Letter to number, alphabets in reverse order, oscillating pattern, successive increase or decrease, adding common number, reverse order. Any of these pattern can be used in groups also. So the idea is the coding can be done in groups also, so that more than one type of coding will be added in a single question itself. That is what I want to remind you. This I am making strictly according to the previous year question papers. These are the patterns that is repeated maximum time, or all the patterns that have came in the exam. In UPSC exam I have already discussed, already added in this. Not all question, Kumari. You can still find these questions. सारा क्वेश्चन टफ नहीं होगा कंफर्म. हर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स में CSIR के पर्सपेक्टिव में है तो हर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स में मिनिमम 7 to 8 क्वेश्चन इजी होता है. Identifying that question, that is the major challenge. Okay, coming back to general discussion of exam strategies, we will discuss towards the end. Swapping pattern भी हो सकता है. What is swapping pattern? Swapping pattern मतलब for example A B C D E F का first half A B C, second half D E F. ये ABC हाफ यहां स्वैप किया, DEF यहां स्वैप किया, मतलब इंटरचेंज्ड इट. ABC is here, DEF is here. The DEF ABC, DEF ABC. So that same way, as Delhi is a 5-letter word, the coding will be a little tricky. Let us take a 6-letter word. Say letter random word, that I will take. Or 8-letter is also. Yeah, take a random word. I'll take 7-letter. Flashcards. Let's take flashcards. So in flashcards, if you are applying the same logic, first 5-letter, next 5 letters. So flash will be written here, cards will be written here. So cards flash will be the swapping idea. I hope all of you are understanding swapping idea. Swapping idea is not difficult, but the problem, I'll tell you the problem with this chapter. This chapter, when I'm telling one rule, you feel it is so simple. But in exam hall, among all possible rules, we have to identify the right rule. That is a challenge. That is a major challenge. For that, actually, practicing questions is very important. So swapping pattern is clear to all, right? Next, position of letter based patterns ho sakta hai. For example, this is one of the example. I told you position of letters directly writing it, that is one pattern. Another pattern is position of letters ka maybe sum or product or some other manipulations of that. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F equivalent are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if you add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 21. That means A, B, C, D, E, F coded as 21. That is how the question will be given. If A, B, C, D, E, F is coded as 21, Delhi will be coded as what? Are you getting the point? So can you do for Delhi by the same logic? All of you. तुम्हारी यस पेड कोर्स मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन क्रिस्टीज क्लासेस पे अवेलेबल है 3 मंथ 6 मंथ एंड 12 मंथ सब्सक्रिप्शंस आर अवेलेबल आप चेक कर सकता है मोबाइल एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन है iOS में नहीं है प्ले स्टोर जाके क्रिस्टीज क्लासेस डाउनलोड करिए नहीं है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक लिंक है वहां से डायरेक्टली डाउनलोड करके वो ओके सो दिस क्वेश्चन सम ऑफ यू ऑलरेडी गॉट इट तो पोजीशन ऑफ लेटर्स का ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है पोजीशन ऑफ लेटर्स लिख के उसको सम करना है या उसको प्रोडक्ट करना है या उसको सम करने के बाद कुछ नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स से डिवाइड ओके सॉरी adding all the numbers and dividing by number of letters, that is a possible case, or multiplying all letters, multiplying all numbers, that is another possible case. So there are different ways the position of letters itself can be done for doing can be asked for coding decoding question. I hope all of you understood it. Now another simple coding is number of letters coding. What is number of letters coding? Just writing number of letters, that can also be a question. A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 letters now. So A, B, C, D, E, F coded as 6. So Delhi will be coded as what? All of you answer. This will not take time now. In fraction of second you can answer it. What is the code for Delhi? Moving on. Rearrangement of letters. Rearrangement of letters means in whichever order you can rearrange letters. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F is coded as E, B, A, F, C, D. E, B, A, F, C, D. How? E is the fifth letter now. So fifth letter is written as the first letter here. Then B is the second letter written as the second letter itself here. A is the first letter written as the third letter here. And F is the sixth letter. So sixth letter written as the fourth letter here. C is the third letter, that is written as the fifth letter here. D is the fourth letter, that is written as the sixth letter here. Sorry, sixth letter here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 order is rearranged as 5, 2, 1, 6, 3, 4. All of you understood this? So same way any word can be coded now. So can you do the same coding? In the case of Delhi, it is a 5-letter word. Yeah, Delhi's not grammatically correct, but I'm just adding a letter S. Don't connect it with the word Delhi. A new word, D-E-L-H-I-S. D-E-L-H-I-S. By this coding, what it will be, comment in the comment section and in the live chat. All of you are getting this? So that is rearrangement of letters, and rearrangement can be done in whichever order the question paper setter wants. Here it was 5, 2, 1, 6, 3, 4. It can be 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 5, 6. Anything can be a code. The rearrangement of letters is also a pattern. Now rearrangement of words is another pattern. Rearrangement of words. This is actually a very interesting type. I will teach you how to do this. Here I will take an example, and you cannot take the letter A, B, C, D, E, F to explain this because it is words being rearranged. For example, blue color car is equal to 367. Green color fan is equal to 694. White color car is equal to 350. In all the three words, color is common. Na? In all the three numbers, what are the number that is common? 6 is common. So color is 6. All of you are understanding? The question will be asked, what will be the code for color, or what will be the code for car, what will be the code for green, or this number corresponds to which word. That way the question will be asked. So presence and absence idea, that is what I will call this. Car is present here, car is present here. Which is the only number that is present in these two numbers? 3. So car is 3. Are you getting the point, all of you? Now look at this. 3 and 6 done means the remaining number should be the remaining word only. Na? Remaining number should be the remaining word only. Remaining number is 7. So 7 corresponds to blue. and here 5 corresponds to white. Now green and fan, we cannot conclude whether it is 9 and which one is 9, which one is 4. We can say green can be 9 or 4, fan can be 9 or 4. Are you getting the point? This is the idea of rearrangement of words. The technique you can use is presence and absence technique. Same way, rearrangement of words, letter rearrangement also is possible. That is same as previous question. Due to lack of time, I am moving on. So these are the major types or major 13 types of questions that can be asked. Due to lack of time, I will directly go to previous year questions. 2023 also questions were asked in UPSC CSAT and other aspirants. This is a common topic in all competitive exam, whether it is GATE, whether it is CSIR. Even latest question paper also coding decoding was asked. कुमारी इसके बारे में ही बताया था हमारा कंप्लीट कोर्स अवेलेबल है मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन क्लासेस पे अवेलेबल है चेक करिए सारा डिटेल्स मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन में अवेलेबल है ये लेक्चर एक्चुअली 30 मिनट लेक्चर है इसलिए मैं बाकी प्रमोशन के लिए बहुत कम टाइम ले सकता है check the mobile application all details और class के end में last 5 minutes after completing the topic I will tell about the details of the course. Okay, so your question I'll answer it. 0 is called as CHUR. How 0 is called as CHUR? It is plus a common number. Adding a common number pattern we discussed now. Adding a common number pattern. Adding a common number pattern means what it is. I hope all of you remember. So z plus 3. Yeah, look at this. After z, why it is 3? Z plus 3 is C. Why it is? Because it's a circle of alphabet. After z, 1, 2, 3 means it is C. So z is coded as C. E plus 3 is H. R plus U 3 is U. O plus 3 is R. Same way player should be done. P plus 3 is S now. P third letter from P is S. Similarly, L plus 3 O, A plus D, A plus 3 D. Likewise, you can write all letters. Are you all understanding? Yeah, here the last letter actually, R being U, that itself eliminate these 3 options. But we can't say that we will start with last letter first. Don't know that, no? That is why elimination, if you're lucky, you can do elimination faster maybe. So this was a 2023 PYQ on this topic. Then 2022 this was asked. All of you try it. 2 minutes or not 2 minutes, 30 seconds to try because we have to move on to other. Do at least 5 questions super fast. Little time consuming question but doable. The clue I can give you is we have already discussed about this type. Okay, due to lack of time, I will start explaining. If the order of the letters in English alphabet is reversed and each letter represents the letter whose position it occupies. Yeah, it is very kind of UPSC to mention what is the coding. Normally, they don't do that. They will randomly ask. In most other question papers, it is like. But here, at least it is mentioned that the coding done is reverse order coding. That is what is mentioned in the question. Alphabet is reversed. About reverse order coding, I already taught you, na? This reverse order idea. Reverse order A to Z. In forward order, this is. So in reverse order, this is the numbers in reverse order. So A first letter in reverse order. A is the 26th letter and Z is the first letter. That idea is needed. And I showed you the table of reverse or equivalence also. So L reverse equivalent will be O in this table. Are you getting? Q reverse equivalent will be F. So L become O, U become F, T becomes X. K become P. Are you all understanding? Likewise, you can write OFXMLD. Go through it and tell me if there is any doubt. It is clear, mention that also. Otherwise, the other technique I taught you was subtract from 27 the forward equivalent number, forward number, you will get the reverse number. That number corresponding letter will be the reverse equivalent. 27 minus. Why we are subtracting from 27? That logic we will be discussing in today 8:30 p.m. lecture. Ranking and ordering. The logic of ranking and ordering is the reason why 27 minus we are doing, not 26 minus. Okay, anyway, OFXPMLD, is it clear to all of you? Please respond. So which option? Option D is the correct answer. 2022 PYQ. Then 2021 this is asked. Coding decoding is asked in last few years. Constantly minimum one question are asked from topic. Try it super fast. Okay, so I'll start explaining due to lack of time. In a code language, mathematics is written as this, then chemistry is written as what? The mathematics written as this, it's an oscillating pattern. We discussed about oscillating pattern, na? Negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. M minus 1 is L. M L, na? A, next letter is B. A plus 1 is B. T minus 1 is S. H plus 1 is I. E minus 1 is D. M plus 1 is N, and so on. Getting the point? Yeah. Cross check it. I know it is time consuming to cross check it. Yeah? But the logic is clear or not, please mention. Because then you can do it later also, na? So that I can complete more questions and you can watch the video later and cross check it if there is any doubt. So C minus 1, chemistry by the same logic. First C minus 1, then H plus 1, then E minus 1, then M plus 1. Likewise, C minus 1 B, H plus 1 I, E minus 1 D, M plus 1 N, I minus 1 H plus 1 T. Yeah, wherever elimination can be done, you can do it. When you get B in the first position, option A eliminated, option D eliminated because that does not have B in the first position. Then you can smartly do one thing. Second letter, third letter are same in both options. So don't try that. You can directly go to fourth letter. N or L. Fourth letter should be N. That itself finishes option B is the answer. I have told many times, please be flexible with the methods wherever possible. You can use elimination. Rejecting option is very important in many questions. Elimination can be done in at least 5 ways. These 15 approaches of doing questions are important in all chapters. So, I have given a series itself on shortcut approaches in this YouTube channel. You can go through that, or I will try to share that links in your Telegram channels. New students, there is a Telegram channel where we update more content also, and where we update study materials. Daily practice questions of the topic we have discussed in YouTube will be available in the Telegram channel. In the description of the video, you can find 2 Telegram channels are there. For UPSC, there is a dedicated Telegram channel. For other exams, there is another channel. So you can be part of it according to the exam that you're preparing. Okay, so coming back to, so elimination possibility should be used wherever possible because that will save time. Maybe 10 seconds only, but 10 seconds saved from 10 questions, that is enough to do 1 or 2 questions extra. So keep that in mind. So this is a 2020 question. All of you try it super fast. 1 minute to try. Here it is connected to numbers. So try it. Okay, so I'll explain. So here I told you position of letters can be one criteria where the question can be set. Here position of letters is used but not in a direct way. How? I will explain. GHI, if you write the equivalent position, G is the 7th letter, H is the 8th letter, I is the 9th letter. GOT code you can use. And D is 4th, 5th, 6th. Now this 789 double is 1578 na. 456 double is 912. So ABC 123 double is 246 is the answer. How many of you understood? Go through this slide, you will understand it completely. Is it clear? Yeah, after solution, very simple you may feel. The problem is in exam hall, you should do this. For that, you have to practice more question before going to exam. Yeah. Then let's move on to the next question. This was another question in 2020. One more question of the same chapter. Due to lack of time, I will start explaining. ACPQ is to BESU means ACPQ is coded as BESU. Then MNG is coded as what? That is what the question is asking. This is +1, +2, +3, +4. We already discussed about that. Na? Just the question can be asked in this way, like this. That is why I have shown this question. And here MNGI adding 1, 2, 3, 4, you will get NPJM. As we already discussed one PYQ of this type. Move on to the next. This is another one, 2018. This was asked. This also we have discussed this type already. LSJXVC is coded as Mumbai. Then code for Delhi is. That means LSJXVC is coded as Mumbai means Mumbai is the word and LSJXVC is the code. So Delhi's code is what we need. Don't get confused. In exam hall, we may do that because this one is to this, then Delhi is to the code. No, code is to Delhi. That is what we need. Are you getting the point? So Mumbai, if you check it, it is subtracting a common number, subtracting a pattern of numbers, a sequence of numbers. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Check it out. M minus 1 L na. M previous letter is L. U minus 2 is S. U second letter is S. M third letter is J. B fourth letter is X. Circle of alphabet concept. That is why B fourth letter is X. Please understand, after Z it is not the end. It is again A after Z. So same way Delhi will be coded as CCIDD. So option A is the correct answer. Clear? And this is another question, 2018 itself it was asked, where letter to number is asked. Letter to number. But here it is a random coding. So this we need to discuss because this is little different from previous question. Random coding also. In the flashcard I have mentioned it. But due to lack of time I haven't mentioned when I discussed the types. Random coding is also a possible case. Random coding means random coding is okay. We'll go to that question directly then. So random coding means there is no alphabetical order or anything connected to the alphabetical order. It is randomly coded like that. Randomly a letter is coded as another number. For example, R is coded as 1, A is coded as 2, M is coded as 3, O is coded as 4 and N is coded as 5. Why it is coded? No reason. It is coded randomly. And how we confirm that that is the case? From the common numbers, you can find that. Common numbers is the clue. Look at this. N is here in this also. N is here in this also. What is the common number? What is the common number in both? The common number in both is 5. So N is 5. Are you getting the point? That is how we understood that. The equivalent position, a number is randomly coded. That means from this you have to identify. We need Hammam. Na? Hammam means 3 different letters H-A-M. H is here, H is 9. A is here, A is 2. So this is also 2. M is here, so M is 3. So 92323 is the answer. 92323 option. Super easy, na? So the common numbers we have to find from the given. That is another coding. And this one I already taught you one example. You can try it as homework, or you can try it now itself. Presence absence ID I told you, na? That can be used to do this. So these are the last 5 years PYQs. All questions we have discussed. Last 2018 to 2023. All questions asked from this chapter we have discussed. There itself we have seen most of the types of questions we have discussed. We have discussed in the theory. All of you clear in the short time? I hope I gave you the complete idea of this chapter. More practice question I will add in the Telegram channel. This question's answer, if you want, I have explained the slide here. Option B will be the correct answer. This is again swapping type. Swapping type, you can try it. I'll just give you clues. This, tem, but in reverse order. NEA, AEN, reverse order. RER, reverse order. So reverse order, yeah, it is not swap. In group, reverse order is done. I told you in group idea, whatever pattern they want, they can ask. So in group, reverse order is the pattern. In both the groups, it is reverse order, not swapping, it is reverse order. So that is how this is done. Now actually, this way also coding can be done. This is a hybrid question. We discussed about number system, BODMAS rule and all. Now, BODMAS rule and coding decoding together is asked in. This is mathematical operation related coding decoding. Mathematical operation related coding decoding. Answer you can see here. And BODMAS rule we have already discussed in the number system chapter. BODMAS rule is also used to understand this. And 2023 also one question was based on this. So try this. Yeah, this question you can try and mention the answer in the chat. And those of you who watched this session live, do let me know whether the session was useful. And new students also like to hear from you whether you people are understanding the concepts properly. So, and if this is useful, do let others know. Do share it among your friends. Share it in your Telegram groups, Telegram channels. Anyone asking about UPSC CSAT content, let them know about this course also by sharing the playlist link or the brochure which I have shared in the group. PDF of this PDF of this won't be available, but in the we'll be sharing the PDF of the questions actually. The answer of this question I have mentioned here. Let me check if PDF can be uploaded because that will be more time consuming process. You have to arrange according to the course structure and share it. Let me see if possible we'll share it, but currently the questions are available already. This question, sum of digits is the idea. Sum of digits is the idea. Check it out. Answer will be option. So that's it. Let's conclude for today. Coding decoding, this is the idea, and more practice questions will be included in the Telegram channel. BODMAS rule aspirant we have discussed already in the number system chapter. This is the 30th lecture in this course. So check out the quantitative aptitude lectures in this course where we have discussed about number system and other things also. Kumari, in that 999, 1499, 799, those are the complete courses. Kumari. हाँ वो सारा recorded है live course अभी live batch maybe 2-3 months later only will be starting. Recorded course ही available है. These are the details of the recorded course. Yeah, once again, CSIR NET aspirants, those of you asked the live chat about your complete course. So once again, let me complete after that. So today 8:30 p.m. we will meet with the next reasoning topic. ranking and ordering chapter के detail today 8:30 p.m. So that's it. And now CSIR NET aspirants, details of your complete course. CSIR NET Part A complete course, 60 recorded videos and free online study materials. This course is currently available for 3 months, 6 months and 9 months subscription. This is the 3-month subscription price. Till your exam, this 3-month subscription offer is also running. And free online study materials worth rupees 500 will be completely free with this course. And demo lectures are available also in the course page. Download the mobile application to classes. Go to the store section. You can see the detail. A course may all topics of CSIR NET Part A or General Aptitude section completely covered. Complete theory will be discussed of all topics. Topic wise previous year questions including December 2023 questions will be discussed in each chapter. Shortcut tricks and exam hacks will be discussed as separate lectures also and in the different videos also. And practice worksheets and mock tests are also available. And the course will be in Hindi and English. लैपटॉप और मोबाइल दोनों में एक्सेस कर सकता है. और कुछ डाउट है तो ये कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर पे कॉन्टैक्ट करिए. यू क्लैरिटी. So that is about the course, and any other doubts about the course also you can mention in the comment section. We will answer it. And free resources are available in these Telegram channel, WhatsApp group, mobile application, and the website Christy. Check out the other playlist, UPSC CSAT aspirants, UPSC aspirants. You can check out this playlist where we have covered previous year question papers videos also, and also we have covered this shortcut techniques also, tips and tricks, shortcut methods, etc. And also other playlist also you can refer, not only one single exams playlist. If you have time and if you want practice material, other exam playlist can be checked and you can see which all topics are identical and those topics can be used for your practice also. And speed maths lectures are available in this playlist. Yes, Kumari, 999, 749 and 1499, all courses are same itself, only the validity is different. 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. Course is all the same. Okay, so today 8:30 p.m. we will come up with the next live lecture on ranking and ordering. Do let your friends know, invite them to this initiative, and let it be an inspiration for other educators also to come up with more free tips. Spread the word. Do let your friends know about this course. Do share it among other aspirants. That's it. Let's conclude. And those of you want the flashcards that we are discussing in the class, that flashcards are available as the ebook. This only have flashcards. The videos are there in the courses only. These are ebook actually. So let us conclude here. Thank you all of you for attending the session. Those of you watching me live or recorded, do comment on this video what you felt about this lecture. So that's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day on the next lecture.